Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just scroll down or you go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then you come to your profile, so then all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on account. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to login with existing account. Click here on login with email or here can you enter your login code. Then it's going to exist with you here on your Plato app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.